Yeah, hemisphere, that means it is just half of a sphere, isn't it? You have cut the sphere into two equal parts. So that means the volume is just half now, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means half of this volume, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So if you cut it from 2, so it will become 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So this is for hemisphere and this is for the sphere. So at least you can remember this one, and hemisphere you can just half it. Okay. So let's start with the exercise now. Hmm. Okay, exercise 13.8. Find the volume of a sphere whose radius is this. Can you quickly find this out? First part. So volume is just 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Put the value of r and find this out. Yes, Ziva, completed. Okay, Jocelyn, 4312 by 3 centimeter. Okay, by 3 centimeter cube. Okay, Zeba, what's your answer?
1437 1 by 3 centimeter.
Now, why two different answers? 4 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So that means 4 upon 3 pi, you will put 22 divided by 7 into r cube. That means 7 centimeter. into 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter, right? So 1 7 you can cancel. Then 4 into 22 is 88, and 7 into 7 is 49, and then 3 centimeters, so centimeter cube, and then divided by 3, right? Now you multiply 88 into 49. So 9 into 8 or 8 into 9 is 72. Sorry, 72 carries 7. Again, it's 72 and 7. How much? 79, right? Okay, now 4 into 8, 32, carry 3. 4 into 8, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is 2, 9 and 2, 11, carry 1. 7 and 1, 8 and 5, 13, carry 1. So this is right. 4, 3, 1, 2 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Zeba, was it that difficult? Simple multiplication is there. Yes. Now please try the second part quickly, where the radius is 0.63 meters. So first you remove the decimal and then do it, okay? Tell me the answer. I think you should divide this also. Jaslyn and Zeba, you cannot leave it like this, right? It's just 3. You can easily divide this, isn't it? Do it separately if you are not comfortable doing it directly. So 3 into 1 is 3, right? 13. So 3 into 4 is 12. Again 1. 3 into 3 is 9. Then you get 2, 22. So 3 into 7 will be 21. Then you have 1, right? Put a point, make it 0. 3 into 3 is 9. Again you have 1, make it 0. So up to 2 places of decimal you can write. Okay, so 1437.33 centimeter cube. Don't leave it like this. Yeah, what is the answer for next one? Yes, come on, do it. So volume of sphere, right? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 22 divided by 7 into r cube. So 0.63 meter, right? Into 0.63 meter into 0.63 meter. Is that clear? Please unmute yourself, both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now remove the decimal first. 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into. So this is 63 divided by 100 into 63 divided by 100 into 63 divided by 100 and meter cube, right? Okay, now 7 into 9 is 63. So 163 you can cancel. 7 into 1, 7 into 9, right? Then 3 into 1 and 3 into 3. Now don't disturb 100, okay? Just multiply. Yeah, because if you cut by 4, you will get 25 here in the denominator, which will be of no use, okay? Just multiply. So 4 into 22 is 88, right? Into 3 into 63 into 63. And then divided by 100 into 100 into 100 meter cube. See, don't be afraid of calculations. It's not that difficult. Okay, Jaslyn is getting something 1.05. Yeah, something around. Okay, let's see what we get quickly. Zeba, are you getting something after multiplying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Same answer. We got like
What is the answer?
1.05 meter cube.
No, but that is the approximate answer. Like if you multiply
Yeah.
this, okay, multiply this one by one. Don't be afraid. Okay, 88 into 3. 3 into 8, 24. Carry 2. 24 into 26. Right? Am I right? 3 into 8 is 24. Yeah. Okay. So 88 into 3 you have done. Now multiply this by 63. 3 into 4, 12, carry 1. 3 into 6, 18 and 1, 19, carry 1. 3 into 2, 6 and 1, 7. 6 into 4, 24, carry 2. 6 into 6, 36. 38, carry 3. 6 into 12, 13, 14, 15. So it becomes 2. 9 and 4 is 13, carry 1. 8 and 8, 16, carry 1. Okay. Now again multiply this by 63. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 6, 18, carry 1. 3 into 6, 18 and 1, 19, carry 1. 3 into 1, 3 and 4. 6 into 2, 12, carry 1. 6 into 3, 18, carry 1, 19, carry 1. 6, 6, 36 and 1, 37, carry 3. 6, 6, 36 and 3, 39, carry 3. 6 into 1, 6 and 3, 9, right? So I'm getting 6, 9, so 9 and 2, 11, carry 1, 9 and 9, 18, carry 1, 10 and 17, carry 1, 10 and 14, carry 1. So I'm getting this, right? 1047816, right? Divided by 100 into 100 into 100 meter cube. Now how many zero? I have 6 zero. So after 6 places, I can put my decimal. So count from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm getting my decimal here, right? So after decimal, you are having too many digits, so you can round it off a little bit. So if you want to keep up to 2 places of decimal, now you see this one. So 7 is greater than 5. So this 4 will become 5, right? It will become 1.05 meter cube. And here you will write approximate. Is that clear? Please make a
Yes,
habit
ma'am.
of doing calculation by hand. Otherwise, in exam, you cannot score marks. Okay, you will make mistakes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not that difficult. I'm also doing it in front of you. Right? You just have to be careful. That's it. All right. Now, question number 2. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter this. So what you have to find here, can you tell me? For example, you have a beaker, right? Here. So it is having, let's say it is having it is having a liquid till top, right? Now you are putting a spherical ball in it. So you are dropping a spherical ball. So once the ball is here, so obviously the water will spill out, right? Spill out. So how much water will be displaced? So the amount of water displaced will be equal to the volume of this sphere, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the space volume is basically the space occupied. So it will occupy some space and that much water will get outside. So you have to find volume of a spherical ball in this case. Part 1. Find it quickly. So volume of spherical ball will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube, right? And r is 28 centimeter. Now please put this in formula. Do it yourself. Please find it.
Diameter is 28 centimeter.
Sorry?
Diameter is 28 centimeter, radius
28 centimeter. Oh, sorry, it's diameter. Yeah, okay, that's right. So radius will be half of it. Okay. So radius will be 14 centimeter. Yeah, right. Yes, what is the answer?
1 second.
Okay, Jaslyn is getting 34496 by 3. So Jaslyn, divide this by 3 now. Bring it into decimal. Yes, Zeba. One 11498.6. Yeah, okay, that's right. Yeah, Zeba, what is your answer?
Ma'am, my answer is 11498.
11498. But 0.6 also has to be there, I think. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
please match it with NCRT, okay? Now, second
Yes,
part also, please complete it. Now, this time the diameter is 0.21 meter, right? So that means uh, first you remove the decimal, otherwise you'll make mistake. So write it 21 divided by 100 meter. Is that clear? Okay. So that means now the radius is 21 divided by 100, and again you divide one more 2 here. Is that clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can keep it like this. Okay. 21 divided by 200 meter. So put like this in the formula, and then in the end you can multiply and divide. So volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 22 divided by 7 into r cube. So 21 by 200 into 21 by 200 into 21 by 200 meter cube, right? Okay, so I think you can divide a few things here. Okay, so instead of 200, like if you write it same like 2 into 100, so that will make it, I think, a bit easy if you want to cancel out a few things. So keep it like this, right? 100 separate and 2 separate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this way you can easily cancel out. So 2, 2, and then this 4, right? Gone. Okay, now with this 1, 2, so 2 into 1 and 2 into 11, right? Now 3 into 1 and 3 into 7. With this 7 is gone. So now you only have 11 into 21 into 21, and then you have 100 into 100 into 100 meter cube. Now you multiply the numerator. Tell me, what are you getting? Yes, come on, multiply this. Yeah, Jaslyn, please multiply 21 into 21 into 11. Is it that difficult?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
4851.
Yeah, 4851.
Okay, Zeba, what are you getting?
Ma'am, I already told that. 4851.
Okay, Zeba is speaking. Okay, Jaslyn has also written. Fine. 100 into 100 into 100, right? Meter cube. So now you just put the decimals. Okay, wait. Okay, so you have to place after 6. So you write first 4, 8, 5, 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you place your point here. Okay. Then you can put a 0 because this 0 is not significant. You can put a 0 here. Meter cube. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Now let's move to question number 3. Okay, in the next class, that is on Thursday, right? I will take a test again of this chapter and then combined results I will be discussing with you. Your previous test also and this test also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this time both volume and surface area will come. Last time I gave only surface area. Please prepare. The diameter of a metallic ball is this. So diameter is given, which is 4.2 centimeter. That means your radius is 4.2 divided by 2 centimeter. This you can easily divide. This is 2.1 centimeter, right? What is the mass of a ball if the density of the metal is this? So now what is given here? Density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now what is density? First of all, who will tell me how can you define density? I mean, what do you understand by the term density? Yes? Okay, now try to understand. Okay, apart from mathematics, now please try to understand. For example, I have a box and another box, you can say. Box has to be three-dimensional. I'm just drawing it like this. Okay, or you can make it if you wish. So let's say I have a cube of equal size. Understand? This is also, let's say, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter every side. How dense the object is. Okay, yeah, that's right. So this is a box, right? So let's say I have some balls inside. Okay, like this in this box. And in this box, I have balls like this. Understand? This is box 1 or box A, and this is box B. So you can see in box A, the balls are very far apart from each other. Like in a same volume, very less mass is present. Understand? And in box B, volume is same exactly, but more mass is present in that space. Clear, Zeba? I mean,
Yes, ma'am.
the space is same, but the amount of mass is more. So we say this has more density. I mean, it's more dense. Understand? And this is less dense, box A. So from here, the formula for density is, you must have studied this. So density means how much mass is enclosed in that particular volume. Is that clear? So as you can see, so by looking at this formula, you can see like volume is same in both the cases. Box A and box B are having equal dimensions. So equal space is enclosed, but the mass is more in B. Understand? So the density of B is more. So from here we get this formula, density is equal to mass upon volume. Is that okay? Now in this question, this density is already given. You have to find this mass. Understand? So here you have three things: density, mass, and volume. So in one equation, only one unknown can be there so that you can find it. So if you want to find mass, you should know what is density, you should know what is volume. Is this clear? Then only you can find mass from here. Okay. So density is already given. So that means first of all, we have to find volume. Then we will put those two things in this formula and we can find out the mass. Is that clear? Okay. So let's
Yes, ma'am.
find the volume first of all. So what is the shape here? Shape is spherical. It's a metallic ball. So diameter is given. Radius we have already found. 2.1 centimeter. So volume is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 2.1. So 2.1 centimeter into 2.1 centimeter into 2.1 centimeter. So first step, remove the decimal. 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into. So 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 centimeter cube, right? Okay. Now you can cut a little bit. So 7 into 1, 7 into 3, right? Okay. Yeah, okay. I was trying to use a different pen. Anyway, so 7 into 3, right? So with this 3, you can cut this 3. Now don't disturb the 10. Just multiply. So 4 into 22 is 88. And now multiply 21 into 21 quickly. Tell me how much is 21 into 21? Yeah, is it?
Ma'am,
Hmm,
the answer is 441.
441. Okay. Now multiply 88 into 441. Jesslyn, you're not responding. Why?
Ma'am, the answer is 38808.
38808.
Yes.
Are you sure, Jesslyn? Are you also getting the same?
1 second, I'm still doing.
Zeba, you have to do by hand, not by calculator. Yeah?
No, I'm doing it in my hand only.
Okay, then it's good.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay.
38808.
Right now you put the decimal. So after 3 places, so you'll get 38.808 centimeter cube, right? Okay. Now this is the volume of your ball, right? Now we come to the formula again. Density is mass upon volume. So you want to find mass, so you cross multiply. So that means density multiplied by volume will give you mass. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm just writing mass on the left hand side. There's no issue. And density into volume this side. Okay. Now put here. So what is the density given in the question? So 8.9 gram per centimeter cube, right? And volume is how much we found? 38.808 centimeter cube. Clear? Okay. Now, first of all, see how you change the. Now, what should be the unit of the answer? Can you tell me? By looking at the formula, what should be the unit in the,
Gram.
yes. See, you are finding mass, isn't it? Mass has to be in grams. Yeah. Yes, Jaslyn, right? Mass is measured in grams because you are using here CGS unit. That means kilogram, gram, sorry, centimeter, gram, second, not the, yeah, okay. So you should get gram. Now see how you will get it. So 8.9 gram per centimeter cube means this centimeter cube is in denominator. Is that clear? If you want to remove this per, that means you bring this centimeter cube in the denominator into 38.808 centimeter cube. So now this centimeter cube will cancel out and only gram will left. So the answer will be in gram. Is that clear? So from here you will
Yes.
get this. So 8.9 into 38.808 grams. See, it's a little of physics here, but anyway, this is going to help you in your higher classes also. In class 11, the first chapter is unit and measurement. So you will be dealing with such things there. Now, remove the decimal. First of all, I think that's the best way. So 89 by 10 into, yeah, so 38808 and again divided by 1000 gram. Now you have to multiply. There's no choice here. Please multiply. 89 into this 38808. Okay, so Jaslyn is getting this 3453912 grams and divided by this 40, right? Okay, so you put your decimal here now. 40, right? So first you write 3453912. Now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you put your decimal, right? Now this is 4 places of decimal, so you can round it off a little bit. So if you, okay, so like you can do it here. So 345.3912. So first you round off this 2. This is smaller than 5, so it will remain same. So 345.391. Now this 1 is again smaller than 5, so it will be 345.39. That's it. So there'll be no change on 9 here. So this is 345.39 grams. I hope all of you remember how to round it off, and you can write approximately also in the bracket. Yeah, any problem here?
No, ma'am.
All right, now next question number 4. Okay, please do this moon type question. They often come in exam. I think there was one question in previous exercise also, right? Where I think surface area, you found the ratio of their surface area, as far as I remember. Yeah. Okay, here. So the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So let us assume that the earth diameter is x, right? Let the diameter of earth is equal to x, right? So the diameter of the moon is 1/4 of this. So therefore, the diameter of moon is 1/4 of x. That means x by 4. Clear, Zeba? Okay. So we have got diameter, so we can find radius and then we will proceed further. So this implies that a radius of earth will be x by 2 and radius of moon will be, so it was x by 4 and then divided by one more 2, or you can say half of x by, right? So it will be x by 8. Clear? Okay. Now in the question, what fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? So basically you have to find this ratio, volume of earth divided by volume of moon. Understand?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
sorry. Opposite one you have to find. Sorry. Yes, Jaslyn? Yeah, please read the sentence again. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? That means volume of moon is what fraction of the earth. So that means you will put moon in the numerator and earth in the denominator. Is that clear? So this ratio means how much is the volume of moon as compared to the volume of the earth. Is that clear? This you have to find in the question. So, okay, let us do it. Volume of moon and divided by volume of earth. Okay, so both are spherical in shape. I mean, approximately we take them spherical. So you write 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So don't write r and r in both, because this radius of moon is not same as the radius of earth. So we cannot use the same symbol. Getting it? We cannot use a small r. Either you use a small r and capital R, or you just write this in word. Is this clear? Radius of moon whole cube and divided by 4 upon 3 pi into radius of earth whole cube. This way you can write. Is that clear? All right. Now 4 upon 3 pi, 4 upon 3 pi will get cancelled. So it will be just radius of moon whole cube and divided by radius of earth whole cube. Right? Okay. So the radius of earth is x by 2 and the radius of moon is x by 8. So put this in the formula. So x by 2 whole cube. Okay, before writing this, both are whole cube. So we can also write it like this, that radius of moon and then divided by radius of earth And we can put cube like this. Any problem? This will make your calculation a bit simple, right? Okay. Now you put here. So radius of moon is x upon 8, and then radius of earth is x upon 2, and then whole cube. You can solve it separately also. I mean the cube of numerator upon cube of denominator, or you can take the combined cube. It will not make any difference. So inside, as you know, this denominator 2 will go in the numerator. So it will be x into 2, and this 8 will come here. Is that clear? This we have. Hmm. Yes. Okay. Now x and x will get cancelled out, and this 2 into 4 is 8. So this is 1 upon 4 whole cube. Yeah. So that means again it is either you can write it like this 1 cube upon 4 cube if you wish. So it will be 1 upon 4 into 4, 8, and 8 into 4 is 64. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Or you can also write it like this 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4, because it is cube, right? This will also give you 1 by 64. Like after this, if you want to write like this, you can also write like this or like this. So this was volume of moon upon volume of earth. So that means, I mean, volume of earth is 64 times as the volume of moon, as you can see from here, right? Or if uh, you can write it like this, because you have to tell how much is the relation between volume of moon and earth. So if you cross multiply, so you keep this volume of moon here, and then 1 upon 64, and then you can take volume of earth that side. Any problem? So now how can you read this? That means volume of moon is 1 upon 64th of the volume of earth. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Or the reverse way, you can say that the volume of earth is 64 times the volume of moon. Like if you bring this 64 here, cross multiply, so it will be 64 into volume of moon, right? So both way you can read it. I hope you have understood the question. And I mean, this question often comes in exam, so please do it. Yeah, Jaslyn, sorry, I forgot to ask you one thing. Is the chapter probability is deleted in your school also? Or they have done it in the class? Yes, Jaslyn. Okay, not done until now. Okay, Jaslyn, in case they do it in your class, just let me know. Then I'll do it briefly. Only a little portion is there in class 9th. The rest of the part is actually deleted. Yeah, please ask your teacher and let me know. Then I'll complete it. Okay, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter this can hold? So it's a hemisphere, first of all, please note. Diameter is given, which is 10.5 centimeter. So what is the radius? 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. You can keep it like this, okay? Now, how many liters of milk? That means in the end, you have to convert your answer into liter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now find the volume of this hemisphere quickly. So this is half of a sphere. That means 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r. So 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. Right? Okay. Remove decimal first and then solve it. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into. So this is 105 divided by 2 into 10, right? Again, 105 divided by 2 into 10. 105 divided by 2 into 10 and centimeter cube. Okay, now you can cut a little bit. First, the 1, 2, you can cancel, right? Okay, so with this 7 also, 7 into 1, 7 into 1 is 7, then 35. So 7 into 5 is 35. Okay. Now you can use this 3. So 3 into 1 and 3 into 5 is 15. Again, you can use this 5. So 5 into 1 and 5 into 2. With this 2, you can make it 11. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, so it's time for my next class. You please complete this calculation divided by. So 2 into 2 is 4. And then you can keep this 100 here. Centimeter cube, right? And then you know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So that means 1 centimeter cube is 1 upon 1000 liter. Understand? So that means if you divide this centimeter cube by 1000, the answer will be in liter. So whatever you are getting here divided by 4 into 100, you have to divide this by 1000. It will become liter. Now please solve it and